Yes, we are beginning with the exercise, and the first question is, I have not written the complete question, but it says that an athlete completes one round. An athlete completes one round of a circular track. This is a track. An athlete completes one round of this track, and he completes one round in 40 seconds. I repeat, this is a circular track, and an athlete completes one round of this track in 40 seconds. The diameter of this track is 200 meter. You have to find the distance traveled and the displacement of this athlete in 2 minutes 20 seconds. I hope the question is clear to you. A circular track with this diameter 200 meter. He completes one round in 40 seconds. You have to find out that in 2 minutes 20 seconds how much will be the distance and how much will be the displacement. So I have drawn the diagram for you. So look here. An athlete completes one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. This is given in the question. So A to B, if I suppose A as a starting point and he completes one round, this complete one round finishes in 40 seconds. So let us assume A as a starting point, right? And when he completes the complete round, he will come back to A. We have to find distance as well as displacement. So look here. Let A be the starting point. He completes one round. He reaches back to A when he completes the whole round. Now the distance covered by the athlete, we have to find the distance covered by the athlete in one round. You know that to find the distance in a circular track, we have to find the circumference. So the circumference of the circle is given by the formula pi into d. We also have a formula 2 pi r, but here we use pi d because diameter is given. So 3.14 into 200 gives you 628 meters. So this is the distance covered by the athlete in one round. Fine. They are asking, in the question they are asking to find out the distance and the displacement in 2 minutes 20 seconds. See, I have written the whole explanation for you. So the total time in which we have to calculate the distance and displacement is 2 into 60 plus 20. That will give you 140 seconds. Okay, so this was the distance covered by the athlete in one round, that is 628 meter. We have to find the distance covered in this much time, that is 140 seconds. Now next, in 40 seconds the athlete covers one round. Okay, this is given. Now in 140 seconds what happens? Athlete will cover 140 divided by 40, that will be 7 upon 2, and that is 3.5 round. So that means in 140 seconds, the total time 140 seconds, the athlete completes how many rounds? 3.5 rounds. Now distance covered in 3.5 rounds. You know the diagram. When he will start with point A, from point A, he will complete 3 rounds, 1 round, then second round and third round, and after that he will go half round, and so he will stop at B. I hope it is clear to you. So 3 into 628. What is 628? 628 is the distance covered in one round, and this is 3 rounds plus half the round. Half the round will be 628 divided by 2, that will be 314. So the total distance traveled by the athlete in 3.5 rounds is 2198 meter. You know why I am adding 314? 314 is the half of 628, and half of 628 means because he is completing 3.5 rounds. So therefore I write here, in 3.5 rounds he completes 2198 meter. This is the distance. Now when we talk about displacement is given by the shortest distance between initial and the final point. So in 3.5 rounds, the athlete will be at position B. So displacement will be given by AB, and therefore it will be equal to 200 meter as seen in the diameter or as seen in the diagram before. So therefore the question says the distance travelled by the athlete will be 2198 meter and the displacement of the athlete will be 200 meter. Okay. Now if you take pi as 22/7, the answer will slightly differ and it will be correct. So I hope the question is clear to you that the athlete completes one round in 40 seconds. In 140 seconds he completes 3.5 rounds. In 3.5 rounds he finishes 628 meters in one round. Multiplied by 3 gives you 1884 plus half more round, that is 2198. This was the distance travelled by the athlete and this is the displacement of the athlete in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, so this completes your question number 1.